How to fix verification failed and unknown error occurred problem. So if you want to fix your verification failed and unknown error occurred problem on your iPhone or your Apple ID, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You need to open up your settings, just scroll down and then go with the Wi-Fi section. Under Wi-Fi, make sure that you've connected to Wi-Fi. If not, you can also go with your mobile data and then make sure that your mobile data is turned on. Once you've done that, you need to go back to your settings. And from here, you need to scroll down, go with VPN. And if you've connected any VPN services, then you just need simply go and turn it off. After turning off your VPN, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with general option. From general, you need to scroll down and go with transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset, which will be in the bottom, and then reset your network settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then go with your Apple ID, tap on your account, scroll down and go with sign out, which will be on the bottom, and sign out of your Apple ID. Or you can also just simply go with the personal information, and from there you need to just simply go and change your password. After changing your Apple ID password, go and sign back in again, and your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.